And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 159. Let me show you how you can add radial dimensions. This works on circles and arcs. Let me get rid of the fill here. I have a black stroke, I select it, then I use the dimensions tool right here. Third option is for radial, and if you hover over the edges, you can see the radius. You can also add the diameter. To do that, hover over the edges, then left click but hold and drag it to the inside. When you release it, you will have the diameter. And if you go to the outside or don't drag at all, just left click, you're going to get the radius. Keep in mind this only works on a circle where the aspect ratio is 1:1. So if you just add an ellipse, the radius obviously changes and the diameter also depending on the position. And this tool can't calculate that in real time. But the tool also works on arcs, as I've said. So if I delete here 3/4 of the circle, you can see I can still add the radius and technically also the diameter. But in this case, we don't really need it. An arc doesn't have that. But for the radius, it can calculate the center position up to your arc. Sometimes that's helpful. And this is how you can add radial dimensions in Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.